Hey, welcome. I wanted to show you how I use another app that I really love to get my attrition right for my links, for all my links, so I know where everything comes from, how they're working, and what's actually effective. And this is really great for my affiliate links, but also I want to know what channels I should really focus my efforts on when it comes to social media, especially from YouTube or my podcast. So I just wanted to go through the process really quickly. For this to work, I have a LinkJoy dashboard and it tells me really, I have a LinkJoy account. It tells me how my links are going. I created a link in bio as well, so I have one of those. So it's very similar to Linktree. Um, you can see what that looks like. It's currently set up like this. So these are all buttons down here that people can click. These are all my icons. But yeah, so similar to Linktree, people can learn more about me, but also you can retarget links, which means if I send people to my Facebook, my YouTube channel, anywhere that I want to send them to, I can see where they come from, and how they've been acting, or I'm sorry, how they've been using my links. So you can see all of the cool information here. I did also get this from AppSumo, and LinkJoy has a couple of other software options that you can buy from them. And I haven't seen LinkJoy back on AppSumo in a while, but it's their paid offers, even without the lifetime, is still really good and very reasonable. So I'll show you how to create a new retargeting link. I go to my notes and I just copy what I want to add here, and I connect my link that I want to use so I can go and add my own domain. This is for me. You can select your clients. If you choose to add your clients, add a tag if that's helpful to you. I've just been labeling them all. I don't go to specific tags, but I spell out exactly what it's for. Oh, I forgot to add the IG right here. YouTube, Instagram link. And I'm going to click copy right there, hit save. Yep, it's already been done, so I'm going to, all right, whoa, okay. All right, so I'm going to show you how to do this. This is for my YouTube, so I'm not going to need to make a YouTube link. I'm going to make my Pinterest link first. All right, I'm going to show you how to create a retargeting link. First, I'm going to grab my link and copy it. I'm going to go back here, create new link retargeting, or up here we can hit link retargeting and add new. Drop the link in. We can find the domain that you want to add it to, so you can add your personal domain however you like on there. I'm going to use this link. It is for me. You can choose your client from here. Right here, I don't really use tags except to fully describe what this link is from. So we're going to do Pinterest, and Pinterest. So I'm going to put pin right there. So that's just, the part that comes after the domain. So you can choose for that to be whatever you want. Since I already have YouTube.my website, I don't need this to say YouTube at the end, but I put pin so that we know it's Pinterest. I copy this, save it, and you can see that it's been added to my list of links. And then I go back over here to my master list so that I have access to that, and can gain it quickly whenever I create my channel. So for me, this is a hack. This is Google Keep. It's in my notes, and you can do the same if you have a Mac, which I'm on a Mac, but you can use your notes on your Mac, and it be able to be pulled up on your phone and really anywhere else on Apple. For me, it's Google. But it's a really easy and awesome process. You can see one of my links is doing really well, and it's awesome to see where it's coming from. It tells you the top browser. It tells you where people are when they click on your links, which is really helpful when you're trying to determine how you want to talk to your audience, how you're finding out who your market is. So it's really good. If you're doing any kind of tracking at all, if you're trying to decide how you should reach your audience, especially when you're doing ads and stuff like that. I'm not currently doing that, but when you do that, all this information is helpful when it comes to marketing. The more data points you have, the more you have to work with, and the more effective you can be. But also too, if you're just showing love, you're showing appreciation, and you want to be able to make an impact with your message, it's important to know who you're speaking to. All right, I hope that was helpful. I'm going to leave a link in the comments below so that you can check it out for yourself. It will be a referral link. What that means is that I'll get a little bit of commission if you end up signing up for LinkJoy at all, which I do recommend it because I use it all the time. As you can see, the list of links, I'm still building it out every day. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them below. If you love what you saw and you're continuing to learn about really awesome products and services and software from me, please hit the subscribe button. I add a lot of really random cool videos, most of them though to help you to improve your lives in whatever way possible. Thank you so much. I will see you again soon.